If you've ever dreamed of sailing through the pristine waters of St. Vincent and the Grenadines, but felt overwhelmed by the logistics, this video is your complete guide to booking a yacht. Today, we'll walk through each step of the booking process in clear, simple terms, making it easy even for beginners. First, we'll explore how to find the right yacht for your needs. Once you're on the yacht booking platform, you'll notice options to filter yachts by size, amenities, location, and even special features. Start by narrowing down your choices based on your budget and preferences. For those looking for a budget-friendly option, smaller yachts can offer a fantastic experience without the premium cost. You could also filter by amenities, including crew options, onboard activities, and kitchen facilities. Next, we dive into the details. Click on each yacht listing to view photos, specifications, and available dates. You'll also see a pricing breakdown, which is essential to understanding the cost structure and avoiding hidden fees. Review the cancellation policy and any additional fees, such as cleaning or docking charges, which may vary between different listings. This step will save you unexpected costs later. To proceed with the booking, you'll need to create an account, which is straightforward and only takes a few minutes. After that, you can begin the booking process. Here's a pro tip. Check for any promotions or discounts, as these can help reduce your costs. Once you're ready to book, click the Book Now button and follow the steps to finalize the reservation. You'll receive a confirmation email outlining all the details, including contact information for the yacht's operator and any specific instructions for your trip. One of the best parts of using this booking platform is the customer service. If you have any questions or concerns during the booking, they have a support team available to assist. This is especially helpful if it's your first time renting a yacht. Whether you need clarification on the yacht's amenities, local regulations, or advice on the best routes, don't hesitate to reach out. If you're still on the fence, consider the unique advantages of a yacht rental in St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Unlike crowded tours, a yacht allows you to enjoy the Caribbean's turquoise waters and hidden islands at your own pace. Whether you're planning a relaxing escape or a week of water sports, renting a yacht offers you the freedom to create a custom itinerary. Before we wrap up, if you're ready to experience a yacht adventure, follow the link in the description to start your booking. https://soaradar.tp.st/9nwlzg. If this guide helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay updated with more travel and adventure tips.